Welcome back to Car Wow 787, where we bring you the hottest drops, boldest designs, and the future of mobility from around the globe. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss the next big thing. Today, we're talking about something electrifying at the all-new 2026 Fiat Lampo, and trust me, this one's not just another EV, it's bold, fast, affordable, and it's got a name that literally means lightning in Italian. Fiat says it's coming for everything and after what we've seen, that might not be an exaggeration. Let's talk interior. First up at the design, the 2026 Fiat Lampo takes inspiration from classic Italian compact cars but wraps it in a futuristic skin. It's sleek, with flowing lines, an aggressive front grille with dynamic LED lighting, and bold character creases running across the sides. You've got flush door handles, a panoramic roof, and sporty alloy wheels that scream performance. It's like Fiat finally said, let's go full electric, but make it beautiful. Under the hood or rather, under the floor is where the Lampo really shines. It's built on Stellantis STLA small EV platform, and it packs a dual-motor AWD setup, delivering up to 320 horsepower. That's right, this little city killer can go from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 5.5 seconds. Not bad for something that fits in tight parking spots, right? And then there's the range. Fiat claims the 2026 Lampo will deliver around 450 km on a single charge, thanks to its 72 kWh battery pack. Fast charging support is also on board, giving you 0 to 80% in just about 30 minutes with a DC fast charger. Inside, the Lampo mixes minimalist luxury with next-gen tech. You get a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display, a central touchscreen with the latest Uconnect infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ambient lighting, and even haptic touch buttons. The cabinet feels open, clean, and futuristic with recycled, sustainable materials used across the interior. But Fiat didn't just build this for looks. The Lampo is also loaded with Level 2 semi-autonomous driving, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, and intelligent parking assist. Basically, this compact beast can almost drive itself in traffic while keeping you safe. Now here's the part that really makes things interesting: pricing. Fiat is expected to price the 2026 Lampo starting at around $32,000, making it a real threat in the EV hatchback segment. It's positioned to go head-to-head with the likes of the Tesla Model 2, VW ID.3, and the Renault Megane E-Tech. And with its bold design, impressive performance, and real-world range, this little lightning bolt might just win. So is the 2026 Fiat Lampo going to destroy the competition? That's up to the market to decide, but it's clear that Fiat has stepped up in a major way. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Would you drive one? Is this the comeback Fiat needs in the electric era? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's into future cars. For more deep dives, reveals, and auto tech, stay locked in with your channel name. Until next time, ride smart, stay curious, and we'll see you on the next one.